back and then rehook up to it.
On the other side, push those this way.
Pretty heavy. We're just doing a little work around the shop today, well, around the ranch, you know, on this snowy day. We're supposed to get some snow this afternoon. Big old winter storm supposed to be hitting today. Which you see. Anyways, I'm gonna be working on is see, I just cleaned the truck. Should have showed you before, but this is after. Next project gonna be one of these here tractors. Either this one, okay, or that one. All right, you can see, guys, it's starting to snow out here. Ooh, woo! Oh no, we got some fuel siphoning here. Oh no! Okay, we take this in. Ooh. Hey Jimmy, open that up. This is like full, dude.
Did you pull the hose?
That's like full, yeah. Just pull it out of there. Pull it. Put it in there. Put it in one of those. It's going out of there. So we got those going for some, huh? Yeah. I checked it.
How much is the fuel?
I don't know. I pulled the hose out though, so it's not draining no more. Anyways, we just cleaned the shop yesterday. As you guys see. That's what we're using for some heat. So I'm telling that's what we're using for some heat. This beast. All of our welding stuff. Truck we're working on. Where are you? Oh, what did I do with the cleaning stuff? See? Yeah, I don't know how much fuel's left, but I pulled out the hose, so.
No, I was wondering how much went on the ground.
Oh, I don't know.
That's what I was wondering.
Because I just noticed it. Because you said you left it filling, and I'm like, oh crap.
You might have caught it just in time, bud.
Awesome. That's what I was hoping for. That's what I was hoping for, not to get much on the on the ground.
On the ground. I mean, this is all wet right here, but
I did get it in time.
yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
Really fuck shit off.
Right? Well, I guess I'm gonna start cleaning one of these tractors.
That one?
Yeah, I guess, or whichever one.
I can pull back this one in the shop if you want.
That would be awesome, dude. That'd be so much better. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna put this tractor in the shop so I can clean it. Yeah, you. We'll put this here for now. Cool, we got the tractor running. There's my truck. Right there. That's my baby. I think that should be good. Yeah, you. It's like 27 degrees out there right now, or 28. It's pretty cold today. But it sure is beautiful. I like working here. Lost Coast Hay Trucking, folks. Oops, I better leave the keys in it. My bad. We just gotta unload that stuff there real quick, because they gotta take that truck to town. And I'm stuck today just cleaning up. Like yesterday, I cleaned up a whole bunch of trash that was on the ground yesterday. It was pretty bad, folks. You know, one day at a time, we're just cleaning, getting things looking better, you know. Still gotta clean that someday. See? Never really seen inside of it yet either, but anyways, that's what I did yesterday, is fill up this trailer. Yeah, you're getting stuff done around the shop. A lot warmer in the shop, I'm telling you. beginning to end. That's what the inside of it looks like, folks. Yeah, you can't wait till I can drive one of these, folks. Oh boy! Like, why not? I get to clean it, huh? I might as well get to drive it too. Oh boy! Well, I guess nothing like the present. Better get going. Better start cleaning, you know, clean, clean, clean. See guys, is all I'm doing is I'm spraying it with this cleaner stuff that we have. It's really good, like interior cleaner and stuff. And then I got like these soft rags, you know, really soft rags that you can take. See, one will get all nice and wet first. You know, you just wipe her on down. And see? And then take a little cleaner one, that's drier. You go back over it and scrub. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today, folks. It is so cold out there. I'm having fun anyways. You know, clean, clean, clean. Down here, I still gotta get the floor and stuff. Over in there. And stuff, you know. That's what I'm up to today, guys. Staying a little warmer in the shop. There we go, I'm just finishing up here with this tractor. It looks a lot better, folks, I know, than what I started with. That's what a tractor's supposed to look like. A whole lot cleaner, huh, folks? Well, there's one down. I just need to clean the glass now, but I don't think I have any glass cleaner. Let's see here. Do we got any glass cleaner? Everything else but glass cleaner. Alright guys, I did the delivery truck and one of the tractors today. Yeah, it looks a lot better, I'm telling you. Alright, got another tractor to do. I might go to lunch though and come back and we do another tractor. Because, let me show you. Well, I got this one to detail. I got to detail this one also when it's done. But let me show you. because I still have that to clean. There's my truck. Looks like someone hit me because that dent got bigger. Anyways, I have this tractor to clean. Okay, got that one to do. I got this one to clean. Okay. Probably clean this one too. These ones are more important to get cleaned though. I don't know. Why is the fuel cap off this one? That's not good. Good thing I put the fuel cap back on. And then I got that one to clean still. This one's actually, I think, my buddy's tractor. My buddy operates this tractor. One of my good friends operates this one. So, this is, started cleaning it a little bit yesterday, but I'm going to get to it today. I'm going to clean this tractor up for my buddy of mine, you know. At least he'll have something a little bit cleaner to drive. Alright, that one shouldn't take too long. I might do that one next, actually. We'll have to do that one out here. Brrr! It's like it's snowing over there. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Hit the thumbs up if you guys like these videos, because it helps me out. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please continue to watch. And yeah, there'll be some more runs to come, hay runs to come soon. And in fact, we almost did one today, but the snow, that's why. It's actually snowing a little bit. There's little tiny flakes falling. But yeah. So let me probably go to lunch here, and I'll come back, or I'll just bust out that tractor and call it good. Anyways, that means I did 2 tractors and 1 truck today. So not too bad. Well, alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye.